Hi friends, let me show you this new magnetic carved mount that I bought to put my phone in my car. This is a really convenient one because it will get the MagSafe type of phones like this, and you can mount it really easily. It has like a special hook for the air vent so it won't fall down. You see? This is great because it will grab the vent and it won't fall down. You turn it like this and it's going to be opening. You put it in the vent wherever you want, and you screw it like this. Okay. So it's really, really strongly fixed to the vent. It won't fall down. You can still move the vent around. Then okay, you screw this part also. You can move it around. You can move around this part to put it wherever you need it or you like it. And then you just screw this part. Okay. You put it how you like it and you tighten it. Okay. I want it more to this side. That's great. That's great. I can use my phone. It won't bother my driving. And I have it nicely organized here. Okay. Perfect. So this way you can get your phone with you and just put it there whenever you need it. Okay. Also, if you don't have exactly a MagSafe phone, you get these extra metal circles. So you can put these circles to another kind of phones or cases, and they will hold to this magnet. Okay, so even if you don't have a MagSafe compatible phone, you can still use this mount with these extra circles. Perfect. Thank you.